This is a quick tutorial on how to use the MainSmart Web Work Request module for the purposes of submitting a repair ticket or a work request. Okay, so I'm in the web requester now, and I'll put in my user ID, and this is a default user ID we have in our online demo version of the web requester. So it's DEFRQ, and the password is 1111. I'll log in, and I'll notice I have the work request, add work request menu, and it defaults to whatever the default was set up for this requester in the MainSmart Enterprise program. If you want to keep this really simple so that the user doesn't even have to worry about what the equipment is or the task, you can just use this default dummy equipment item and dummy task item as the defaults, and then they can simply type something in. For example. Okay, so I'll save that, and I'll notice it will be in the work request list, and there you have it. Okay, so from this point I'm going to go over to the cloud version of the MainSmart Enterprise program and start that up. Okay, I'm going to have to re-log in, and these login credentials are available. You just need to request them from our support at mainsmart.com, and we'll provide you with that. And this is actually the full MainSmart Enterprise version running on a cloud server. And also, this cloud version database is connected to the MainSmart Web Work Request module database. So if you're testing both of these components, you'll actually be able to see your data appearing in each of them as you'd expect. Okay, so we're getting that started up. And what I'm going to look for is this same work request. So it's going to be work request number 285, and that should come up in our MainSmart Cloud version. And I'll go ahead and log in as an administrator, and I'll need to resize my screen here to fit this video we're doing here today. Okay, there we go. So I'll go into the work order screen, and I'll notice when it opens that there's my work request. Okay, so from here I can go ahead and convert this to an actual work order. Probably since it's a conveyor, I can go ahead and put in a conveyor, and I may have to consult with the original requester, but when they submit a work request, their name is going to be stamped onto this request. There's no way they can change it, so I always know who put it in. Okay, I can assign it out and do basically everything else I would do with a work request, and then convert it to an active work order by changing the status from request to active. So it's really that simple. Okay, so I'll save that, and now what we have is an active work order. Now from this cloud version of MainSmart, I can also print, email, and pretty much do everything else I would do if it was a standalone version of MainSmart running on my server. So there's the work order. Okay, so let's go back to our cloud version, or I'm sorry, our web version. And here is our original request, and it's probably still going to say request, and it does. So we'll go ahead and refresh that to get the status update, and now you see it's active. Okay, so the requester will still be able to see their requests and watch as they progress through the system from request to active and so on. Okay, one last thing to cover here today. I'm going to go ahead and log out. And I'd like to point out that the web requester, as is the fact with the rest of the program, that you can actually use any language. Now we have several in here, but actually any language can be applied to the program, both to the web requester and to the MainSmart Enterprise program, whether it's running on the cloud or standalone. So I'm going to go ahead and pick Spanish, Mexico, and I'll log in as an admin. You'll notice all the labels changed to Spanish. And I can go into the work order screen, and as you can see, it's Spanish as far as the labels go. The data was originally entered in English, so of course it's still going to be in English. Okay, so there you have it, the translatable MainSmart Enterprise program and translatable MainSmart Web Work Request module. If you'd like to test these out, simply contact us at support@mainsmart.com, and we'll give you all the login information and a free demo if you'd like. Thanks for watching this video.